Tell me when to start.
Go.
Okay. A ligand is basically when there's a molecule attached to the receptor site of another molecule.
Yep.
Some basic features of all cells is that all cells have a plasma membrane, they have DNA, and they have ribosomes, and they have something called cytosol. Three types of glycoproteins are collagen, that make up the extracellular matrix is collagen, fibronectin, and proteoglycan. What is the general function plus location of membrane carbohydrates? That is, so membrane carbohydrates can form either glycolipids and glycoproteins, so carbohydrates attached, covalently bond to either lipids or proteins, and the function is, carbohydrates, An example of role of proteins, so there's structural proteins, which is like to provide support, and then there's transport proteins, which is just provides channels for molecules to come in and out of the cells. Three types of cytoskeletons and no examples of their roles. So there's microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate filaments. And microtubules are for cell mobility, microfilaments are for cytoplasmic streaming, and intermediate filaments are anchoring of the organelles of the cell. Eukaryotic cell characteristics are they have a nucleus where the DNA is located inside the cell. Then there is, they have membrane-bound organelles. They're generally much larger than prokaryotic cells. Lysosome. So they have hydrolytic enzymes inside it that help digest macromolecules. A cell genome is basically the sum of all the cell's DNA. Prokaryotic cell characteristics is they're generally smaller, they have no membrane-bound organelles. The nucleus, they have DNA, but it's just like generally in the nuclear region, they don't have a nucleus. And pretty much it, Pseudophobia, they're basically false feet created by the microfilaments. General structure of amino acids is that they have an amino group, the carboxyl group, and an R side chain group. What happens to plant cells in hypotonic and hypertonic and isotonic solutions? In hypotonic, the cell becomes hypertonic is when a cell loses water, so it's plasmolyzed. Isotonic solution, it becomes flaccid, and hypotonic becomes turgid. For each biological molecule, identify the general name of the monitor. Oh, this one's really hard. So for nucleic acid, there's nucleotides. They're bonded by phosphodiester bonds. For lipids, they don't form monomers, but they're bonded by condensation reactions. There's did I say proteins? Did I say protein? Yeah, okay.
Protein.
Protein that's formed by amino acids, and they're linked by phosphodiester bonds.
Peptide. Carbohydrates.
Peptide bonds. And then there's carbohydrates that are, linked by phosphodiester bonds, I think. I got this one wrong, I'm pretty sure.
Glycosidic
bonds. Four types of biological macromolecules. There's carbohydrates, there's carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Components of the endomembrane system. There's like the nuclear envelope, and then there's like the Golgi apparatus, and then extracellular matrix. There's the plasma membrane, then there's the nuclear envelope.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure there's more, but I don't really know it.
ER, Golgi, and lysosome.
Cisternae is basically, I got this. It's like in a, It is when something...
It's a structure.
It's like in the... Is it in a plant? I'm pretty sure it's in a plant. Oh no, I got this one now.
There's sacs in the Golgi apparatus.
Okay. How can polar molecules pass through a cell membrane? They can pass through by transport proteins. A ribosome basically is synthesis of molecule protein. Yeah.
I think that's 20.
Yeah, is that it?